Hello everybody. I want to show you a whole new species of meteorite. Seeing that nobody's named it, I'm going to call it meteorite because my name's Matt. Anyway, let's start off with the proof that it's a meteorite. You can see this rock here. This is all flow lines or actual fire marks from the fire as it comes through the atmosphere. Can you see it? I mean, it's only obvious. This is not a piece of wood, by the way. This is a whole new species. Unnamed, ungrouped. I would like to have somebody with a SEM machine to look at it more closely. I haven't had a chance or found anybody to do that. So I'm going to show you like 10 rocks today. Starting off with that one. I think it's pretty good evidence of atmospheric travel. Anyway. Okay. I mean, what do you think? Leave a comment. I'm just going to go ahead and move it aside. It weighs a lot. Okay, we're going to go with more flow lines and obviously that was flying through the atmosphere. Okay. Here's another one that's got here, rollover lip all the way around. Even a little wing right there. Crazy shape. Anyway, it's a nice specimen. Another rollover lip right there. All right. Next one. Very aerodynamic. These little things are what happens when one of them explodes at the front one. They come in a swarm, and that vapor turns into these little balls. And the ones behind it catch it. Anyway, this one rings like a nice bell here. You can hear it. See. All right. Next. There's something very interesting about these rocks is when you cut them open, they all have like a black glass outline. So these are chondrites. So something happened that made them get really hot and it melted them back this far here. Also, especially this one and the last one I showed you are more magnetic than most of them. I mean, a lot of them aren't really magnetic at all, but this one, as you can see, anyway, so yeah, I think they went by the sun or a star or something that got them really hot before they came here to Earth. I mean, what could get it that hot to melt it that far back? It's a beautiful specimen there. Anyway, okay, there's another one. And then we've got more aerodynamic with the black outline. Aerodynamic. It's a whole new species. I have looked and looked and I cannot find these anywhere except for where I discovered. It looks like that was flying through the air. Anyway. Okay, next one. One of my favorite ones. Black outline, black glass. These are silica chondrites, melted. I do believe this is melted soil. So when they hit it, melted the dirt. All right. Let's see. Here's another one. You can see it cracked mid-flight, welded itself back together. It's been terrestrialized. This is all after the fact. All this. You see the black outline? You see how it's cracked and shifted over? Okay, next, I got another slab here I cut. This is the black outline. And if you look closely, these darker spots, this right here, that's metal. You can see it flashes. I don't see if the camera can pick it up, but it flashes usually. You can get a little glimpse of it. Anyway, that's the slab I've cut. All these little crystals, that's after the fact. It's been laying around for a while up on planet Earth, but this is all melted soil here. Black outline. All right. And this one right here, talk about regmaglyphs. This one's got some fusion crust. You can see the black fusion crust. I shouldn't have to point it out. You should be able to see it right quick. Anyway, I'm going to start making videos and showing people. Here, I polished one side of it. It's real pretty inside. Slightly a black outline on that one, not as much as the other ones. Anyway, anybody have any comments, please leave a comment. There's nothing else it could be. All right, folks, over and out.